Kiwi and chia jam. Sounds like a really strange combination, but I was sitting at a cafe the other day having a coffee and a bit of toast, and they offered this to me, and I thought it was the best jam ever. So you need beautiful, ripe, golden kiwi fruits. These ones are perfectly ripe at the moment and they make the best jam. It's that combination of sweet, slightly acidic kiwi, but you also get this wonderful texture from the chia seeds. The chia is going to be slightly crunchy but also jelly-like as it sets with the kiwi. So I've just topped and tailed the kiwi fruit, and then I'm just going to use a speed peeler to peel them, and look at the gorgeous colour of these golden kiwi fruits. They are just such a prized fruit, particularly for a jam like this. So we'll just chop them up again and then give them a really good dice. And now they're ready to go. So you'll need about 500 grams in total into a small pot. And I'm going to add some extra flavours just to enhance its beautiful sweetness. You could add some sugar, but I want to keep this super, super healthy, so I'm going to add some honey. So a couple of spoonfuls of honey. You could also use some maple syrup, and I love the addition of some vanilla bean paste, so a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. And just a splash of water, because the fruit will give off some liquid. Splash of water, and this goes on the heat, and I want to bring this up to the boil, then turn it down to a gentle simmer, and that's when I'm going to add the white chia seeds. Now we'll just sprinkle them in. You only need a few tablespoons, and again just let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to take it off the heat and allow it to cool completely. You'll see it thicken up and become jelly-like. Well, how impressive does this look? See how thick and jammy it is? That's what we're after. And the kiwi fruit has held its shape perfectly. Now, usually when you're making jam at home, you would add some pectin or some lemon for it to set. But that's the wonderful beauty of chia seeds. It does all the work for you, plus it gives you all the nutrients you want. They are full of antioxidants. So you can serve this however you like. But in the cafe, when I tried it, it was with toast, wholemeal toast, and ricotta, and it was so good. So a few generous dollops onto your toast. You could add some cinnamon if you like, a little lemon zest, or just as is. Yes, I do love all types of jam, but this one at the moment is my absolute favourite.